Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X4 and the Range Rover Velar. We'll dive into their distinct personalities, from performance to interior luxury. Understanding these differences will help you decide which premium SUV best fits your lifestyle. We'll cover engine options, cabin features, and overall driving dynamics. Let's explore what makes each of these luxury vehicles stand out in a crowded market. When it comes to driving, the BMW X4 typically offers a more engaging and sporty experience. Its suspension is tuned for responsiveness, making it feel nimble on winding roads. The Velar, however, prioritizes comfort and refinement, gliding over imperfections with ease. Both offer impressive power, but their delivery and feel behind the wheel are distinctly different, catering to varied driving preferences.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're on the go or just planning your week. Check the description below for the link and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Inside, the X4 presents a familiar BMW layout, emphasizing ergonomics and driver engagement. You'll find high-quality materials and a robust iDrive infotainment system. The Velar takes a more modern approach with its clean lines and integrated touchscreens, creating a sophisticated, uncluttered environment. Both vehicles provide ample luxury and cutting-edge technology, ensuring a premium experience for all occupants. Considering practicality, the X4's coupe-like roofline can impact rear headroom and cargo capacity slightly. The Velar offers a more traditional SUV profile, potentially providing a bit more usable space. Both vehicles command a premium price, and ownership costs, including maintenance and insurance, should be factored into your decision. It's essential to weigh these aspects against your daily needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.